So we got a package. Like, I literally don't know what's inside because I've ordered it quite a long time ago. So I hope it will be a temper glass for Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, as I'm using it quite for a long time, so I needed a temper glass. So let's just open it up and check it out what's inside. I'll have to do it my old ways. So yeah, I guessed it right. It's a temper glass. Although the company mentioned is not accurate. It's a 2.5D glass, 9H level of protection it can give. It's quite durable. So let's just open it up. From where to open? Yeah, not here, not here. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, where to open? I think I'll have to cut it up. Wait a minute. Let me just cut it down. Yeah, it's done. From here I can open it. So its packaging is quite so cheap, like 2 rupees packaging, and here is the main thing. Let's also cut it. And why the hell this type of packaging? I have spent like around $4 for this temper glass, and packaging is like so dumb. Let's check how's the temper glass. I'll just let me tear it up. So here's the temper glass. Oh, it's quite a different. It's not 9H, it's 11D temper glass. I don't know. I have received the wrong product, I think so. What the hell, Flipkart? I'm not gonna order it anymore. Like the video.